Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw a unicorn. It's going to be just the head. It's going to be very, very simple, easy, completely for beginners, alright? The video is only going to be about 8 minutes, so stick around to the very, very end of the video so you get all the information. And that's pretty much it. Let's get started. Before we do that, don't forget, if you like learning how to draw cartoons, video games, dinosaurs, dragons, anything, I put it into simple, step-by-step, contained drawing lessons. I make them all about 8 to 10 minutes. So if you like learning how to do that, absolutely, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. Okay, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the snout of the pony, or the unicorn. Put like an angle line down here for the snout, front of the face. Gonna curve around here on the front. Gonna pull back up. Line over here for the hair. Line back in. Line back in for some of the other hair. And I'm gonna go over here and find the bottom of the face. Line back. Curve right here for the jaw. Line down. And let's draw 2 notches there for the nostril. I'm gonna go over here, draw a circle for the eye. Line across. It's gonna make it look like there's a highlight there. Curve line here, downward. It's going to curve back the other direction here for the bottom part of the mouth. Let's go ahead and find that horn. It's going to come from here, from the hair. And come back down. Line here. Line around. Line around. Around. Gonna go over here, find the, gonna go from the hair, pulling here, and pulling down around here and pull the hair. Alright. Gonna find the back. See, this hair's gonna go through. Find the other side. Line out. Out. Curve in, go back. Line over here, down. Line up. Line up again. This one I'm gonna go right here like an S curve. I'm gonna pull upward. Down over here, pull back. And like I said, this is just like a head shot. So I mean that's why we're only gonna draw like the face and the head here. And I'm gonna pull down here for more. I'm gonna curve down. Pull a split here in the hair. And I'm going to pull another line here in the hair, right here as well. So it's all in, it's a flow. And you can draw as many lines as you want, even on the hair, to kind of make it seem more like real hair. We are going to do something, we're going to put a thicker line just around everywhere. Before I do that, I'm going to throw a curve right here, cheek, the horse cheek. And I'm going to throw a thicker line around the outside of everything. So, right here, continue in this direction, pull up. Same thing, just around the outside, okay? And I call it stickerfying. When you stickerfy something, you are creating a thick border only on the outside line, only the furthest to the inside. Here. And that's pretty much it. That is a unicorn. We can do something else at the end as well. We can do like a little like shine, right? So let's do this. Pulling in, that shape that it pulls in. And maybe a heart over here. Just kind of even it out. If you really want, you could make a smile there. Alright, that's the end of the video. I want to thank you very much. If you enjoyed that, hit that like. Also, the best thing you could possibly do is, if you did enjoy it, please consider sharing this with a friend. Every time you do, it brings back a lot of cool people to the channel, and I really enjoy it. So, thank you so much. If you can hear me at my voice right now, say hi to me in the comments, and I will say hi back. We'll talk to you next time. I'll see you very soon, okay? Remember, when you're drawing, make it easy.